Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a practical and highly requested tutorial for you. If you've ever wondered how to plot CPR central pivot range in TradingView using the powerful CPRK indicator by AAK, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add, customize, and use CPR plots to level up your technical analysis and make more informed trading decisions on TradingView. Let's dive right into it. So the first thing you want to do is head down to the video description. I've placed a direct link there to the CPRK by AAK indicator, no need to hunt around or search manually. Click on that link and it should open up the indicators page in a new tab. This part is really straightforward, but just in case you haven't used custom scripts before, don't worry, TradingView makes it easy and I'll walk you through each step. When you're on the CPRK by AAK indicator page, scroll down a little bit just beneath the main info about the script. You'll see a button labeled something like Add to Favorite Indicators, or in some versions, Use in Chart. Go ahead and click on the Use in Chart option. What this does is add the CPR indicator directly to your currently active chart. Whether you're looking at Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, Forex, whatever you're analyzing, this indicator will now be visible right there. Now, if you don't see it immediately, give it a second or try zooming in and out of your chart just to make sure it's properly loaded. Sometimes, new indicators might take a moment to appear, especially if your chart is packed with other studies. Don't worry if it doesn't pop up right away. Next up, we're going to customize the indicator so it fits your personal trading style and preferences. To do this, hover your mouse over to the indicator's name in the upper left corner of your chart. Right next to your ticker symbol, you'll see the CPRK indicator listed. Click on the little gear icon, which brings up the settings for this script. Inside the settings panel, you'll find two main sections we want to focus on: Inputs and Style. The Inputs tab is where you can tweak the core parameters of the CPR indicator. For example, you could adjust which session the CPR is calculating for, or fine-tune it for daily, weekly, or monthly pivots depending on the time frame you trade. Don't hesitate to experiment here. A small change in settings could better align the indicator with your strategy or the specific instrument you're trading. Now, swing over to the Style tab. This is where you bring the visuals to life and make the chart genuinely your own. Here, you can personalize the line colors. Maybe you want vibrant colors that stand out, or something more subtle to minimize chart clutter. You can also adjust line thickness, add or remove labels, or even uncheck certain levels or indicators if you want a cleaner look. For example, if you find the support and resistance levels a bit overwhelming, just uncheck them to streamline your workspace. Think of this stage like organizing your desk. Set it up in a way that helps you focus and analyze quickly. Take your time with these settings. Every trader has their own preferences, and the goal here is to make sure your CPR plots are actually useful and visually clear for you. And that's it, just like that, you've got CPR plotted on your TradingView chart using the CPRK by AAK indicator, fully customized to your needs. Whether you're looking for major trend pivots, key support and resistance zones, or just another edge in your analysis, this tool can really make a difference. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see tutorials on other TradingView scripts. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more practical trading tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.